Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out if my money is worth more today or if I should wait until tomorrow to spend it. The concept of the time value of money is something that's really interesting to me, and I think it's essential to understand in today's economy. Having money today is definitely more valuable than having it in the future, but why is that? It all comes down to what you can do with it. You can invest it, save it, or spend it on something you need or want. The time value of money is a fundamental concept in finance, and it's crucial to grasp if you want to make informed decisions about your money. If you have money today, you have the opportunity to earn interest on it, or use it to generate more wealth. On the other hand, if you don't have money until tomorrow, you're missing out on those opportunities. It's not just about having money, it's about having the flexibility and freedom to do what you want with it. This concept is especially important in today's economy, where inflation and interest rates can fluctuate rapidly. If you're not careful, you could be losing money simply by holding on to it. That's why it's so important to think critically about when to spend your money, and when to save or invest it. By understanding the time value of money, you can make better decisions about your finances and achieve your long-term goals. In my experience, people often underestimate the power of having money today. They might put off making a purchase or investment, thinking that they can just do it tomorrow. But the truth is, tomorrow is not guaranteed, and the opportunities you have today may not be available tomorrow. That's why it's essential to prioritize your financial decisions and make the most of the money you have today. Many people believe that saving money is the best way to build wealth, but that's not always the case. Saving is important, but it's not the only factor in building wealth. Spending money can also be beneficial if you're investing in something that will generate more wealth in the future. The key is to find a balance between saving and spending, and to make informed decisions about when to do each. Some people think that they can just save their money in a bank account and earn interest, but the reality is that interest rates are often very low. Inflation can also erode the value of your money over time, so you need to be strategic about how you manage your finances. It's not just about saving money, it's about growing your wealth and achieving your long-term goals. Another misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy. That's not true. Anyone can invest, regardless of their income level. The key is to start small and be consistent, and to educate yourself about the different investment options available. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and try new things. That's often where the greatest rewards are. People often get caught up in the idea of getting a good deal, and they might put off making a purchase until tomorrow. But the truth is, the best deal is not always the cheapest option. Sometimes, it's better to pay a little more for something that will last longer or provide more value in the long run. It's all about perspective and prioritizing what's truly important to you. Inflation is a major factor to consider when thinking about the time value of money. If inflation is high, the purchasing power of your money decreases over time. That means that the money you have today will be worth less tomorrow, so it's essential to make the most of it while you can. On the other hand, if inflation is low, the purchasing power of your money increases over time. Interest rates also play a significant role in the time value of money. If interest rates are high, you can earn more money by saving or investing, but if they're low, you might not be earning as much. It's essential to understand how interest rates work and how they can impact your finances. By taking advantage of high interest rates, you can grow your wealth more quickly and achieve your long-term goals. Investment growth is another crucial aspect of the time value of money. When you invest your money, you're essentially putting it to work for you, so it can generate more wealth over time. The key is to find investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance, and to be patient and consistent. Don't expect overnight results. Investing is a long-term game, and it requires discipline and perseverance. The most significant insight about the timing of financial decisions is that it can greatly impact wealth accumulation over time. By making informed decisions about when to save, spend, or invest, you can set yourself up for long-term success and achieve your financial goals. It's all about being strategic and intentional with your money, and taking advantage of the opportunities that are available to you. The time value of money is a complex concept, but it's essential to understand if you want to build wealth and achieve your long-term goals. By prioritizing your financial decisions and making the most of the money you have today, you can set yourself up for success and create a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not just about having money, it's about what you do with it that really matters. By understanding the principles of inflation, interest rates, and investment growth, you can make better decisions about your finances and achieve your long-term goals. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and try new things. That's often where the greatest rewards are. And always remember, the timing of your financial decisions can have a significant impact on your wealth accumulation over time. In conclusion, the time value of money is a powerful concept that can help you make informed decisions about your finances. By understanding the principles of inflation, interest rates, and investment growth, you can set yourself up for long-term success and achieve your financial goals. Remember to prioritize your financial decisions and make the most of the money you have today. The key takeaway is that the timing of your financial decisions can greatly impact your wealth accumulation over time. By being strategic and intentional with your money, you can set yourself up for success and create a brighter financial future. Don't underestimate the power of having money today. It's an opportunity to invest, save, or spend on something that will generate more wealth in the future. In recap, we've discussed the concept of the time value of money, common misconceptions about saving and spending, and the principles of inflation, interest rates, and investment growth. We've also revealed the most significant insight about how the timing of financial decisions can impact wealth accumulation over time. By understanding these concepts, you can make better decisions about your finances and achieve your long-term goals. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to share your experiences with money management in the comments below, and check out my other videos on personal finance tips for more information on how to manage your finances effectively.